Look at these parquet floors.
Yeah, it's some water intrusion. I smell mildew, stink, something doesn't smell good.
There's some problems with your house, quite obviously, but it's a nice sized living room. Just imagine with the awnings gone and you're getting more light in here and it's all fixed up.
Seems like a lot of work.
The kitchen in this house is actually pretty terrible. I love the layout though.
It's a lot of tile. Is this actual tile or is this plastic?
It's stick-on.
That took a lot of time and effort. You gotta give them that, Keith.
You know what happens though? The roaches get up in here and
Okay, thank you. That's gonna be so fun taking this down.
I'm still trying to figure out what the vibe is for the house. I kind of want like the color scheme you got going, like 70s, you know?
I think I can get jiggy with that. I'm a product of the 70s. I'm a disco baby.
We could do a disco house.
Oh, that would be fun.
That would actually be kind of cool, actually.
Oh, Evan said it would be cool.
All right, that's it then. It's a disco house. Play some Donna Summer immediately.
Immediately.
Disco ball, some like nice crushed velvet loungy thing over there. I can see it all.
All right, Shay, bathroom.
Oh, more tile. Is this the same tile?
I think it's also stick-on. Do you want to
They
keep
even
the
did the
arch,
ceiling.
Keith?
Yeah, I love the arch.
You love the arch.
Wait, will a bathtub fit here? This is a tight space.
Yeah, we'll put the bathtub back in.
Super small bedroom.
These bedrooms are actually really tiny.
Yeah, they're extremely small.
There's a lot of layers of paint, that's for sure.
Should we show you the other bedroom?
Of course.
The other one's equally as small, too.
Okay, this room is slightly larger, I think.
This one has enough for a queen.
Of course it has enough that way. It's the 84 out that's the problem.
That's...
That's to this wall. You have 6-inch clearance if you had it here. Anyway, it's a tricky space.
I mean, we would have to make it feel a little larger than it actually is.
I'm gonna figure out how to make it look bigger. You figure out how to sell it as a disco. I love this house. It has like the best vibe.
with the disco ball.
We're at the disco house today, and we're not doing really any layout configuration changes, which is always kind of like,
Nice to... I think it's nice.
I always am a little like, let's bust some walls open, but anyway.
We're gonna leave the walls as they are, maybe change the layout of the kitchen a little, but the walls will stay the same.
Mixed it up.
1, 2, 3,
Plastic is much harder to get off than I thought it would be. The tile's tedious.
There's a lot of adhesive.
The amount of effort that was made to put the plastic stuff on, they could have just put real stuff on. I was thinking about just ripping the whole room down. Since it's a smaller house, we need to pack the design really full so that it has a better chance of selling. This house is way smaller than really most of the houses on the block even, but when you're trying to sell a smaller house, you really have to make sure that people don't leave thinking about that.
I'm gonna make this house a whole vibe. Think 1970s browns and gold, lots of textures like shag and velour, maybe a well-placed disco ball or two. Gotta keep it classy, of course. The first thing to do is get some light in this place by getting rid of these metal awnings.
We're installing new subfloor in the bathroom to get ready for the tile. And we're installing new drywall everywhere it needs it, which in this case is pretty much everywhere. Not sure where you want to put this at the moment.
this thing. Or down here is fine. We'll start rearranging. The kitchen cabinets arrived today, and I am very excited. Everything is coming together. It goes here?
Yeah, that's an upper.
Yeah. It goes on the other side?
Yeah.
Kitchen choreography.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kevin.
Yeah? Can you open the door? Like, this is what I'm asking you. Just do something.
No.
Who dat?
Hi, Shay.
Hey, y'all.
Welcome to the
Well-
disco house.
It looks really good. It's nice and bright in here. It makes it feel cozy.
Check out this kitchen.
Oh my goodness. How is this so much bigger in here?
Yeah. It's a lot more user-friendly.
So
we have a really cool
is this
tile, too.
keeping up with the 70s, like disco? Because we're still going disco.
Oh,
theme,
totally,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Disco. Down. There. Turn. Continue. So the mural in the living room is kind of inspired by the 70s discotheques. It's really easy to do this stripe with this little like turn in it. It'll just kind of bring in like a retro vibe.
While Keith is bringing the disco vibe to the living room, I am building a pergola over the front porch.
See, that's too big. This is nuts. Just the wrong height. The math on this is unreal. I still am not doing it. I thought it would be easy to do this stripe, but oh my goodness. It's very difficult to calculate all the turns and radii. What a nightmare. Essentially had to grid out the entire wall at the end and just do loopy circles everywhere until I figured it out. Could have just traced this on the wall with a stencil.
Oh, wow, look at this.
Fun little upgrade.
Before the big open house, but I think we're gonna be good.
The curtains need to be steamed. Really nice.
This house has really come a long way. We bought this house for $6,500.
And the reno budget came in around $78,000. We're gonna list this house for $114,900.
Hi, guys. Welcome. Is my outfit giving away the theme of this house? Check out this cute house.
Wow, yeah, this looks
Right?
nice.
Cute brick home that's basically brand new. And with the pergola and the new door and windows, it really updates the space.
Looks great. The pergola just gives a little bit of depth.
Yeah.
Very
Give
nice.
some layers.
Yeah, it looks great. I'm glad they didn't paint it. I prefer the stain. Looks a lot better.
Me too. I love the natural look.
All right, y'all ready to see inside?
Yes,
All right,
excited.
let's do it.
Okay, guys, come on in. Welcome to the disco.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
This is beautiful.
This is so cool.
Right?
Amazing.
Yep, so as you can tell, there's a 70s vibe throughout with the colors, the finishes.
It's been fun to take a theme and kind of play with it. This one was kind of fun to play with the color theory.
Mustard is my favorite color.
It is? Oh, well, we found your house, Sophia.
The painting detail on the wall, you don't usually see that.
Let's check out the kitchen.
Oh, wow. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow. This is awesome. Originally, this room was actually divided in two smaller spaces. So we wiped all that out and just made it kind of a giant kitchen.
Just opened it right up.
This is a really large kitchen. I mean, there's a lot of cabinet space in here.
Oh my gosh, I love the backsplash.
Are we supposed to eat here or dance?
Oh, both.
Yeah.
What an incredible idea.
This is bedroom number 1, and it's currently staged as an office.
Okay.
Okay.
I like it.
Wow. Love, love, love.
As you can see, there's space if you wanted to do a full-size bed,
Or a nursery.
nursery.
This is a nice sized room.
I love the colors. Everything just goes.
And the checkerboard wall. Somebody hand painted that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. A lot of detail.
I love it. Here's the main bedroom.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, I love it.
This is a good sized bedroom, actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just to give you an idea how much room you have in here, this is a queen size bed. If you wanted to go a little larger, you definitely have room.
Plus, the double windows allow so much light in this bedroom. It really makes it nice and bright. This is great.
The headboard is amazing.
This headboard is amazing.
I love the headboard.
Keith and Evan made that. They made the headboard and they also made the screen.
Of course.
Keith and Evan need a raise.
Yeah.
They do. I'll think about it.